The modern sport touring motorcycle market is currently experiencing a resurgence. Major manufacturers such as Honda, Yamaha, and Kawasaki are competing to offer high-performance touring motorcycles with maximum comfort. Honda has introduced the NT1100, Yamaha the Tracer 9 GT Plus, and Kawasaki the Versys 1000 SE. Recently, BMW also unveiled the latest generation of its flagship touring motorcycle, the RF1800 RT, featuring advanced technology and comprehensive touring features. Amid this competition, Moto Guzzi stands out as one of the legendary brands that has yet to release a modern sport touring motorcycle on par with its competitors. Previously, Moto Guzzi had the California, a cruiser tourer with a large engine, which has since been discontinued. This gap has sparked strong speculation that Moto Guzzi is preparing a replacement, a modern touring motorcycle that retains the distinctive Guzzi flavor but incorporates new, more practical technology aligned with current trends. One strong candidate as the basis for Moto Guzzi's new touring motorcycle is the V100 Mandello. This motorcycle is already known for its signature Guzzi V-twin engine configuration, active aerodynamic system, and modern electronic platform. By adding touring features such as a large windshield, panniers, and long-distance riding ergonomics, the V100 Mandello could easily be transformed into a GT or Grand Touring version. From this design rendering, the silhouette of the Moto Guzzi V100 Mandello GT is clearly visible, likely representing the true touring version of the V100. Its design is aggressive yet elegant, featuring an aerodynamic front fairing, a tall windshield, and large panniers for carrying long-distance travel gear. Although this image is still a CG rendering by Kentoro's design, the design provides a very realistic glimpse of the potential of this model if it were to be launched. It is not unlikely that this could be a serious contender in the premium sport touring segment from Italy.